Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. Today I've got another planting video. This one is going to be the apple seedlings that I started from seed over the winter. Hopefully you guys have seen those, that video. And this is what they're looking like now. And I'm going to plant this one because I think that's the nicest looking one out of the bunch. It's got the thickest stem and it's the most kind of sturdy looking one. I'm going to leave the other ones in the pots for now. Might potentially plant them somewhere else soon, but for today I'm just going to focus on this little guy, and we're going to get him planted between the elderberry in the back, and I'll show it to you guys next. So that's the idea. I'm going to plant it right about there. I want it far enough away from the property line here that you know, I can come around to all sides of the tree once it's growing bigger, and hopefully not have any issues, you know, getting all the fruit. So yeah, I think for now that should be a good spot for it. That's where I'm going to plant it. Okay, so same thing as for the pomegranate that I just recently planted. I'm going to do the same thing. Cut out or dug out a bigger hole, put a bunch of wood at the bottom. I'm going to fill in some dirt, and then I'm going to put the little apple tree in here, and then you know, backfill all around it. So we've got the tree unpotted, put it right in the middle. Tried to make this soil line be a little bit lower than the nearby surrounding ground level, just so that there's a little bit of a depression, get some moisture in there. And now I'm just going to backfill from the dirt here, and I'll stake out, you know, just a few you know, sticks around it, just so I don't mow it down by mistake. Yeah, let me get it backfilled and I'll show it to you guys. Alright guys, so there it is. It's all planted, and I've got a good batch of water on there, and that's slowly, you know, seeping in. I've got a couple of sticks in the ground just to make sure I don't end up mowing it down by mistake or anything like that if the grass gets too big. And yeah, that's it. Hopefully this grows well. Definitely, you know, subscribe if you want to see updates on this and see how it's doing. It's going to be a pretty lengthy experiment as well, and you know, I'm hoping that, you know, in 3, 4, maybe 5 years, we'll see some fruit on this, and we'll see what kind it is. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, remember to give it a big green thumbs up and share it with your friends. And thanks for everybody's support. It really means a lot. I really enjoy everybody's comments and stuff, and yeah, and all your support. So thanks everybody, and see you in the next one. Bye.